Each node of the wireless sensor network has a radio frequency transceivers. So wireless sensor network has radio frequency transceivers. This transceiver functions as both transmitter and receiver. It transmits and receives. It is its major functionality. Let us see this wireless sensor network concepts. This is a very important 5 marks to 6 marks question, as well as this definition is important for 2 marks question. Let us see what is the definition of a wireless sensor network. Wireless sensor network is defined as a network in which each sensor node connects wirelessly and has the capability of computation for data compaction, aggregation and analysis. So it is a network in which sensor nodes, sensor devices connects wirelessly. So the sensor nodes connects wirelessly. Nodes are the devices or computing systems, anything, and as the capability it possesses of computation, it calculates, it performs for data compaction. So it provides the data compaction in the sense reducing its capacity, aggregation and analysis. So if you see the aggregations, we are identifying how much of a data we have compacted and we have sent and we have transmitted, and also analysis. Also we can analyze how much of a data compaction and aggregates and so on. By using this wireless sensor network, a node connects wirelessly and has the capacity of a computation for data compaction, aggregation and analysis is the major definition of the wireless sensor network. Each one also has communication as well as networking capabilities. So each one has communication as well as networking capabilities. Each one of a node is having communication as well as networking capabilities. A wireless sensor network consists of a spatially distributed autonomous devices. This wireless sensor network consists of a spatially distributed autonomous device. So distributed autonomous device in the sense a single device can be distributed over the internet. So these capabilities is provided in the wireless sensor network. Let us see the history. You are having a great history on this wireless sensor network and very important topics. Let us see. Sound waves based surveillance and tracking system for enemy submarines were used in 1950s. By using this wireless sensor networks, sound wave based surveillance and tracking system for enemy submarines were used in the 1950. So in Navy, by using this wireless sensor network, they generated a sound wave based surveillance and also track the enemy submarines. Wireless based network radars were also used during this time. In the 1950s, wireless based network radars, by using these radars we are identifying where the enemy exactly is. So it also helps. Research on distributed sensor network using network communication started before 1980. So in the year 1980, before starting the 1980, research on distributed sensor network, short form is DSN. Distributed means we have to communicate it over the network using network communications. By using network communication as started in the year 1980, many spatially distributed sensing nodes collaborate and network autonomously on best effort basis. Many spatially distributed sensing nodes collaborate and network autonomously on best effort basis. So research and application of a low power wireless integrated microsensor used in DSNS is ongoing since 1998. Research and applications of, so here we are using the research and applications of low power wireless. So wireless integrated microsensor has to consume low power uses in DSN, that is your distributed sensor networks that has to use low powers integrated microsensors is ongoing. So still it is continuing since from 1998. Any wireless sensor network has to consume less power in your any applications. Wireless sensor network have large number of IoT applications. Examples are smart homes and smart cities. Today what we are exactly seeing, smart homes and smart cities are the best example of IoT application. This is because of wireless sensor network. The wireless sensor network nodes can sense and communicate using the internet. How this wireless sensor network nodes sense and communicate? Using the internet. Wirelessly, the data from remote locations. So, wirelessly, the data from remote location, it identifies through the internet, such as industrial plant, machines, forest, lakes, gas or oil pipelines, which sometimes may not be easily accessible. So remote locations are such as here specified as industrial plant, machines, forest, lakes, gas or oil pipelines, which may sometimes not be easily accessible. These kinds of remote locations can be easily accessible by using these wireless sensor networks.